you don't have a 3D printer, just scroll away. This is for all you that are trying to make gridfinity bins. Step 1, get your measuring tape, find the drawer that you want to fix. Measure the width, measure the length. Write that down. You go to gridfinity, perplexinglabs.com, click on grips, put in your measurements, render, download, open it in Bamboo Labs. It's split to objects. Add a plate, add a couple of plates, arrange all objects, arrange, slice plate, click the first one, click print, click number 2, click print, number 3, print. Once you have that printed, you snap it all together in the same arrangement that it shows here. Clean out your drawer, plate, and you set it in the bottom. To make your bins, I usually just lay out my items. Then I just write out all the bins I want. 4x1, 5x1, all the way out. Then you go to Gridfinity Rebuilt and you start typing in all the numbers that you wrote down. A 1x7, etc., etc. Click render, download, open the file. Then you just keep making bins. Download them, grab them from the downloads folder, drag them onto your plate, and they'll just start showing up. Change the size, render again, download again, drag it, drop it. Boom. You can clone it. We want 3 of those. And you just click arrange. You got a bunch of bins ready, slice plate, click print. And once you prepare a whole bunch of bins, you just go ahead and start putting them in. And that's a quick and dirty tutorial on how to make gridfinity plates and bins. If you've got any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'm always happy to help.